In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email link in Framer, ensuring any user can easily send an email by clicking on a designated element. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to understand each step will help you make the most of this feature. To begin with, you'll want to open Framer. If you're not familiar with Framer, it's a fabulous tool that allows you to design and prototype interactive interfaces seamlessly. Once the application is up and running, the next step is to open your specific site or project where you'd like to add the email link. As you navigate to your site, take a moment to review the layout you're working with. Identifying the right element to link is crucial. Think about user experience and where an email link would be most useful or intuitive for those engaging with your site. Once you've pinpointed that element, go ahead and select it. It's important that you make the right choice here to maintain both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. You should see a section labeled Link To. This is where the magic happens. You'll add your Mail To link, which is the protocol used to start a new email message when the linked text or image is clicked. In the Link To field, you'll type Mail To, followed directly by the email address you want to link to. For this example, we're using mailtoabccompany@gmail.com. Ensure there are no spaces or errors in this text, as even a small typo can result in a broken link that won't function as intended. Once you've input the Mail To link, take a quick breather to verify everything looks right. It's a good habit to double-check your work, particularly with links, since they can affect user interaction significantly. Ensure that the email address is correct and that there are no typos in the Mail To string. This relatively simple oversight can sometimes cause links to malfunction or direct users to unexpected locations. Finally, it's time to bring your finished work to the world. Click on Publish. This step makes all your changes live, allowing users to immediately use the new email link feature. Publishing is an exciting moment as all your careful planning and execution come together, transforming your ideas into a practical, user-friendly reality. As we finish up, remember that creating effective links is about more than just functionality. Consider your overall design, usability, and user needs. Taking time to evaluate these aspects before implementing changes can significantly enhance the experience. Congratulations on learning how to add an email link in Framer. This skill opens new doors for communication efficiency and intuitive web design. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing.